So guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you, okay, how to add your payment card, which is your bank card, okay, that you used to buy directly from 1688, not offline, no, that you are going to be using to buy directly on 1688. Okay, so this is the place that we are going to be pressing. This place that says me. So this is the place that you are going to be pressing. Okay, when you click that place, okay, so we are going to go ahead now, click it. All right, are you seeing it? After you click this place, it's going to take you to this particular place here. Okay, so it's going to be showing you this particular place, this interface. So this is the place you are going to press. This place that says, this icon that shows settings, are you seeing it? That's the place you are going to be pressing. When you click that place, you are going to be seeing where we are going to add our bank card to. Are you getting it? Your bank card, yeah, your master bank card. If you are using a UBA bank card, as long as MasterCard, or if you have a dollar card, you can still put it. You can see the option there. You press that place and the arrow is pointing. After you have come to this place, okay, are you seeing this place? So you are landed in this place, okay, are you seeing it? So if you have so this place is the place now we are going to add our bank card. Are you getting it? So this is the place we are going to be adding it right now. Okay, so currency ng, okay, so I'm coming. So this is the place we are going to be tapping. Sorry guys, this is the place we are going to be tapping. This payment settings. Sorry, payment setting. Payment setting. Are you seeing it? So you are going to tap on payment setting. When you click on payment setting, this is the place you are going to be tapping. This place that says foreign currency payment. Okay, we that is buying from Nigeria or other part of the country, that we are not from Asia country, we are from Nigeria, or if you live in outside the country, any other part, okay, this is the place you are going to be clicking. If you are in, even though you live in abroad, you live in US, this is the place you are going to be clicking. That this particular place, so this place, are you getting? This is the place you are going to be clicking. So you click on it. Are you seeing it? So you can see the global payment. So look at it here. This place that says global payment. Are you seeing it? So this is the place you are going to be tapping. All right. So are you seeing the place? So this place is going where you are going to be pressing. This place that says credit my assets, that you know you are from Nigeria. If you know if you are from abroad, like if you are from outside the country, like if you came from the Western Union, okay, you are from the Western Union people, you can have, this is the place you are going to be using. But if you have a Alipay account, mind you, if you have a Alipay account, you can band your Alipay account to look at it. If you have a Alipay, but me, so like for me, I have an Alipay account, okay. So you can band your Alipay. If you have the Alipay on your this particular phone, the Alipay is verified, you know you can use to pay. You click or go bind, you bind it. But if you don't have it, we can use this option that say manage. Are you getting it? So that's the option you are going to be tapping. You press that place that says manage. When you click it, you wait for it to load. Please watch carefully, please. So this is the interface now. Are you seeing it? So this place is say add new card. Add new card. Let's look at it. Add new card. So we'll tap on this place that says credit or debit card. So it means I think it can take now our credit card or even our debit and Visa and MasterCard. So congratulations to us. Are you seeing it? So this is where we landed. If you have credit card, it's okay, it can work. If you have debit card, it can work. If you have Visa card, it can work. So I will go ahead now and put my MasterCard, add my card number. Hope you understand that your bank card, that digit that shows on this. So I will go ahead add my bank card. All right. So let me go ahead and add my card. You can use your Visa card if you have your MasterCard, your credit and your debit card. You can add it. Okay. When you add it, you press this place that says add. You click it. So let me put my card number. Okay, so I'm inputting my card number now. I'm putting the name of my card, so I will click on add. It's hard though. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. You can see it say add successfully. Okay, the reason why, if you see, I was trying to add my other bank card because I have up to 3. For the purpose of this video, I had to use another of my cell phone to create this video because I think this is a new update one. You can see now, look at it. It's added already, so I can buy now. And so I use my Visa card. I use my Visa card, all right, to your link to it because I haven't had link any of my Visa card. Okay, so if you know you have Visa card, your MasterCard, you can put it. So I still prefer, if you want to open any MasterCard, like you want to open anyone from any bank, okay, you can use what's this bank name? Oh, don't worry, I will recommend the bank you are going to use. Okay, yeah, I'm going to recommend it. It's very simple, so you can pay seamlessly. Any amount you can pay. It's very easy. You can also use it to pay on Pindodo as well. Don't worry, I'll be dropping those updates. So thank you. So this is how to link it. Okay, when you link it, just go back to your menu when you want to buy anything. Now the next video I'll be sharing with you how to add your warehouse address. Okay, the warehouse address that you're going to, anything you buy on 1688, the supply is going to take it automatically straight to that your warehouse. Okay, so that is what I'll be doing in the next video. So thank you guys for watching. All right, just go back.